3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Old Bazaar.
Great.
Bunzer çeçnetis namazlar vardı Ramze marao Aşağıda tit kosvorida Aşağıda tit kosvorida Ankara bulan Muşti koşkebi Ben sevgune bak Tirtveli ki kosvorida Tirtveli ki kosvorida Horida rida horida rida horida rida horida Horida rida horida rida horida rida horida Ulimon para kiski sasuma Sulitsi giske Kaptena sit kosvorida Kaptena sit kosvorida Ben şemet şeref Nedaci ufti Amma ramuda Avet semit kosvorida Avet semit kosvorida Horida rida horida rida horida rida horida Horida rida horida rida horida rida horida
That actually saved loads of money. Eventually.
Well, I mean, you could just, you're not getting a shower. And you guys actually use bidets.
You're asking the thing.
Next, parking to park. You know, bidet. You know, just put the toilet and shoots water up to clean your bottom.
It's a British word,
It's a pretty, yeah. It's a
Bidet.
thing.
I thought he had to shoot that. I got one part
But you don't have.
party.
He just said after the guy was paying some money for toilet paper, you could just hop in the shower. And I was like, this is good.
Usually if you are buying one thing, or no, free thing, you get at least 6 parties, which is bag actually. Yeah, another very useful word is party.
Yeah, you need to learn it. So it means parky is like a park as well as the plastic bag. It's very useful word.
Maybe different color.
Huh? The same color, yeah?
Is the same?
Yes.
Bunzer çeçnetis namazlar vardı Ramze marao Aşağıda tit kosvorida Aşağıda tit kosvorida Ankara bulan Muşti koşkebi Ben sevgune bak Tirtveli ki kosvorida Tirtveli ki kosvorida Horida rida horida rida horida rida
Come to the bazaar, you have to try all the different sellers and figure out the one who's not going to cheat you and the one who's maybe going to give you some free stuff. This woman in the corner, over there, always gives you free Petrushka. Can you see her? Over there.
Let's go there.
So sometimes they are cheating on us. I guess this time they are. This time? Well, bad example. Bad for her. So you just remember her face because she's cheating. Yeah. The most expensive commodity in Georgia is toilet paper.
There is not even the proper one.
No, because nobody's buying.
It's too expensive, nobody can afford it. Yeah.
So it was a short excursion to our daily life.
Alright, so for advice for new volunteers, first I would probably like to say that you should be as patient as humanly possible. Don't get too frustrated if things don't work out the first time, or the second time, or the third time. Try to do things with patience and compassion, and if it seems like no one heard you the first time, ask 2 or 3 more times. The other thing, in addition to patience, Moodiness initiative, which means not to give up, just to keep trying, working hard, even though there's no support or follow through. That's all.
Hello, future volunteers of GYE. I think I would like to give you a very concrete piece of advice. So first of all, if you are going to lead clubs, for example, language clubs, make sure that maybe your club will not be going on for 8 months, but rather make short periods, like 2 or 3 months, and then with different levels, so that kids don't lose motivation and you are not dissatisfied if your participants just don't come after the long Christmas break, which will be very nice. The second piece of advice is that maybe you should take some small fees for participation at clubs. We know that it's not that we are not allowed to earn money, so that's why you can use this money for some kind of goodbye supra of the course, just to make sure, because we observe that people, if they pay money, they take things that they are doing more seriously. So that's it. Have fun in GYE.
Hello, future volunteers. My advice is don't come to GYE thinking that you will have one very big professional experience. I think it's more one personal and human experience, and if you are thinking have one professional experience, you will be disappointed, and welcome.
Hi dear volunteers, I would like to give you 3 personal advices. First of all, if you can, create your own network with Georgian and international friends, and then again, if you can, try to have your personal activities like GYE activities and then personal life. And finally, try to don't travel alone and without Georgian or Russian speakers around Georgia, because people don't really speak English, but anyway, I think you will find a way to communicate with people. So enjoy your project.
So you're looking for some advice, guys? I'd say one of the most important things is finding things to do in your spare time. So you don't want to be just doing what I did for the first month, which is sitting in your apartment on the computer looking at Facebook. You're going to be getting out, exploring. I mean, I was in Armenia the weekend. You can hitchhike to places, just explore on foot, day tours, going to Tbilisi, going to the cities. So I think it's very important to plan your spare time as well as your working time. And it's also quite nice to sort of separate your work from your free time. So if you're spending all your time in your apartment doing work, it won't really seem that professional. So I think if you're doing work, go to the office, and then if you're having fun, go to the apartment. Yeah.
Gavarjaba, guys. So my advice for you is about language barrier. And I know this is the place you live right now, and Georgian language, you feel that it's not important anywhere around the world, but it will be really much for you this year. So why I'm saying that? Because when you will learn Georgian, you will find much more friends. People would appreciate it a lot, and they would like you much more. People would also help you to learn Georgian a little bit better, and you will also be a little bit independent, which you will find out really useful, and you will also get to know a culture better by the language. So my advice for you is to take a little notebook with you everywhere you will go and write everything what you think it's really important and useful for you to speak about. So wish you good luck, guys. Gargat.
My advice is connected to Georgian way of living and the behavior. Recently, there are many rapid changes happening in Georgian society. However, there are still strict codes of the way the women and men should behave. And what the girls shouldn't do, or are not supposed to do, is behaving loudly on the streets, like laughing, I don't know, speaking loudly and so on. And also, they shouldn't really go out, like, and walk alone during the night. So it's up to you whether you decide to go there during the night or not, but yeah, just don't be surprised if you will meet some offers.
Yeah, and maybe you shouldn't walk like this on the streets.
and didn't use this is closed because it isn't appropriate. Okay.
Do you know this sign? It's internationally recognized the sign for hitchhiking, but not in Georgia. In Georgia, in order to hitchhike, you need to do the sign like that, as if you want to stop marsrutka. So next time, instead of, okay?
Alright, cool.
ხიანი ვოინანაიდა ჯინვეროინანაიდა ნეშენი ქმარი დევნახენანაიდა ჯინვეროინანაიდა ერებლაყვი რამეა ვონანაიდა ჯინვეროინანაიდა აინანაინანაინა ვონანაიდა ჯინვეროინანაიდა აინანაინანაინა ვონანაიდა ჯინვეროინანაიდა